You've been dropping hundreds of dollars at the mechanic, the auto parts store, and the car wash, and the entire time, a $2 tub of Vaseline has been sitting in your bathroom completely overlooked. Petroleum jelly is one of the most underrated car maintenance tools out there, and most people have no idea. Frozen doors, corroding batteries, cracked seals. Vaseline handles all of it, and it costs next to nothing. So before you book another appointment or reach for another expensive product with a fancy label, here are 10 Vaseline tricks that are genuinely worth knowing. Trick number 10. Lubricate squeaky door hinges. Door hinges don't get a lot of attention in routine car maintenance, but they take a lot of stress over time. When the lubricant inside the hinge dries out, the metal components start grinding against each other, and the squeak that follows tends to get progressively worse with each use. Left too long, dry hinges don't just make noise, they wear unevenly, which can eventually cause a door to sit slightly out of alignment, making it harder to close cleanly and potentially creating small gaps that let in wind, water, and road noise. Working a small amount of Vaseline directly into the hinge pin and pivot points, then moving the door back and forth several times to distribute it, solves the noise problem immediately and puts a protective layer back between the metal surfaces. And while you're dealing with noisy hinges, the rubber seals on those same doors might be making their own racket too. Trick number 9. Stop rubber door seals from squeaking. Squeaking rubber is one of those sounds that starts as a minor annoyance and slowly becomes impossible to tune out. It happens when door seals dry out and harden instead of compressing quietly when the door closes. The stiff rubber drags and rubs against the frame and produces that grating noise every time the door moves. Applying Vaseline to the seals restores some of that lost flexibility and lubricates the contact surface so it compresses cleanly instead of dragging. Work it into the rubber with a cloth, paying particular attention to the sections that make the most contact when the door closes, typically the top and side edges. The squeaking stops almost immediately, and the door closes with a noticeably more solid, quieter feel. Beyond the noise, this also extends the life of the seals. Rubber that's kept conditioned is far less likely to crack or tear, which means better weatherproofing and a longer time before you need to think about replacements. The same principle applies to another rubber component, which we'll talk about next. Trick number 8. Extend the life of your windshield wiper frames. When wiper performance starts to decline, most people replace the blade and assume that's the end of it. But the rubber components in the wiper frame are just as susceptible to drying out and cracking as any other rubber on the car. When those components deteriorate, they affect how evenly the blade contacts the windshield, which means smearing and streaking even with a brand new blade installed. Applying a thin coat of Vaseline to the rubber parts of the wiper frame slows that deterioration and keeps the components flexible. It's a quick step to add when you're replacing blades or just as part of regular seasonal maintenance. Speaking of things that quietly deteriorate with age, your sunroof seal is probably doing exactly that right now without you knowing. Trick number 7. Fix a leaking sunroof seal. A leaking sunroof tends to start small and gradually gets worse if left unaddressed. Water getting into a car interior is a serious issue. It soaks into the headliner, gets into seams and upholstery, and can lead to mold and persistent damp smells that are genuinely difficult to get rid of. Repairs at that stage become expensive fast. Most sunroof leaks happen because the rubber seal around the frame has dried out, shrunk slightly, or cracked with age, leaving small gaps that water exploits. Rubbing Vaseline generously into the sunroof seal softens the rubber and helps it expand back into a more effective position against the frame. Clean the seal thoroughly first to remove any dirt or old debris. Work the jelly in with your fingers along the entire perimeter and wipe away any excess. It's not a permanent fix for a seal that's completely deteriorated, but for seals that have simply dried out and lost flexibility, it works well and is worth trying before spending money on a replacement. From water getting in through the top, let's talk about ice building up on the front, specifically on your headlights. Trick number 6. Protect your headlights from ice and snow. Iced over headlights are a legitimate safety issue, not just an inconvenience. A thick layer of ice or snow over your headlights significantly reduces the amount of light reaching the road, which matters most on exactly the kind of dark winter mornings when visibility is already limited. Applying Vaseline to clean headlights before freezing weather creates a slick surface layer that ice and snow struggle to adhere to. Clean the lenses thoroughly first with soap and water, dry them completely, then apply a thin, even layer of petroleum jelly across the surface with a soft cloth and buff it lightly so it's uniform. The protective layer lasts several weeks before needing to be reapplied. It won't completely eliminate all ice formation in extreme conditions, but it dramatically reduces how much builds up and makes clearing any remaining residue quick and easy. And if ice on your headlights is a problem, there's a good chance your door locks are dealing with the same issue on those same cold mornings. Trick number 5. Keep your door locks from icing over. Frozen door seals are annoying, but a frozen lock is a different problem entirely, especially if you're locked out of your car in the middle of winter with nowhere warm to go. Car locks ice over when moisture gets inside the mechanism and freezes, which happens more often in older vehicles or cars parked outside in wet, cold conditions. Coating the lock cylinder with a small amount of Vaseline and working your key in and out a few times distributes the jelly inside the mechanism and creates a moisture repelling layer that prevents freezing. It's worth doing on all doors, not just the driver's side, so you always have a backup entry point if one lock still gives you trouble. One thing to note, Vaseline is a preventative measure here, not a cure. If your lock is already frozen solid, you'll need a dedicated de-icer spray first to clear it out. Once your locks are protected, the next thing to address is what's happening just a few inches away on those same door edges. Trick number 4. Prevent car doors from freezing shut. If you've ever grabbed your door handle on a cold morning and felt it simply not budge, you already know how frustrating this is. What happens is that the rubber seals running along the edges of your doors trap small amounts of moisture overnight. When the temperature drops below freezing, that moisture turns to ice and the seal bonds to the door frame. The result is a door that won't open no matter how hard you pull. Applying Vaseline to those rubber seals before winter prevents this entirely. The petroleum jelly coats the surface and stops moisture from settling into the rubber and freezing against the frame. Rub it in evenly with a clean cloth, making sure to cover the full length of the seal on every door. It keeps the rubber flexible in the cold and eliminates the surface that ice needs to form a grip. This takes about 5 minutes to do across the whole car and is best done in autumn before temperatures drop consistently. At this point, you've protected so many individual parts of the car that it makes sense to just do all of them together in one go. Trick number 3. Do a full pre-winter Vaseline pass. Before winter arrives, take 30 minutes and go over the entire car with a jar of Vaseline. Use the Vaseline to coat your battery terminals, door seals, door locks, sunroof seal, rubber weather stripping, hinge points, wiper frames, headlights, and exposed metal. Every vulnerable point on the vehicle covered, what you're doing is creating a comprehensive moisture barrier across all the components that cold weather, ice, and road salt damage most aggressively. None of these applications take long on their own, but done together as a single pre-season routine, they address the full range of winter wear before it has a chance to start. This is one of the simplest and most cost-effective ways to keep your car in top-notch condition. That mention of road salt is worth pausing on, because salt and moisture together are responsible for a specific kind of damage that most people don't catch until it's already well underway. Trick number 2. Prevent rust on exposed metal. Rust is one of those problems that's far easier to prevent than to fix. It starts in places you don't regularly look and spreads steadily until it becomes a structural issue rather than a cosmetic one. Vaseline applied over exposed metal creates a barrier that blocks moisture and oxygen from reaching the surface, which is what rust needs to form. It's particularly useful for tow hitches, which spend a lot of time exposed to rain, road spray, and salt. Coat any vulnerable metal surfaces thoroughly and reapply every few months or after the car has been through especially wet or salty conditions. For cars in coastal areas or regions where roads get heavily salted in winter, this is one of the most practical maintenance habits you can build. And while rust on the body is bad, there's one spot under the hood where corrosion can leave you completely stranded, which is why we've saved it for last. Trick number 1. Stop your battery terminals from corroding. A corroding battery terminal is one of the most common reasons cars fail to start, and most people never see it coming until they're stranded somewhere at the worst possible time. Corrosion builds up slowly over months, a whitish or bluish crust that forms around the connection points and gradually weakens the electrical flow between your battery and your car. By the time it causes a problem, it's already been building for a while. The fix is straightforward. Disconnect the terminals, scrub them clean with a wire brush to remove any existing buildup, reconnect everything firmly, then apply a thin coat of Vaseline around each terminal post and connection point. The petroleum jelly forms a moisture-resistant seal that slows the oxidation process responsible for corrosion in the first place. It doesn't conduct electricity, so it won't interfere with the connection. This is worth doing at the start of every winter since cold weather is harder on batteries and more likely to expose a weak connection. A replacement battery, depending on your vehicle, can run anywhere from $100 to over $500, so a few minutes with a wire brush and a jar of Vaseline is genuinely good preventative maintenance. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.